Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, so my name is Ankit Maharjan, and today I'm going to present my smart case story on ABC company. So basically, this is a fintech startup company that is using blockchain technology to change how everyday people invest on their own cities. So we can see the tagline. It says democratizing municipal finance through blockchain powered micro bonds. So let's go into the next slide. So here are the agendas we are going to cover in our next 7 minutes. So first one is the case overview. Second one is this STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Third one is the market research situation, and fourth one is the blockchain market properties. Fifth one is smart analysis, and the last one is the marketing plan and KPIs. Okay, so going to the first slide. So this is the case overview. So who is ABC INC company? So it is basically a startup company which is using blockchain technology to offer municipal bonds in micro units. So basically, the idea is like the kind governments used to raise money for public projects, so which has always been available to big institutional investors. So ABC company breaks that barrier using distributed ledger technology, which let anyone invest in small amounts, even starting from zero. So yeah, so ABC company is used to raise funds for the local bridge renovation directly from its own residents. So and that's the entire marketing problem we are going to solve today. So this one is the market research institution. So before you market anything, you must understand your audience. So let's look at Detroit. So three things stand out. So first one is the community pride. So Detroiters have a strong sense of place. Okay, so they actually are marketing. That's actually a marketing advantage if you frame the investment in the right way. So second one is the digital divide. So about 70% of residents own smartphones, and the other 30% completely rely on community centers or libraries. So third one is the financial exclusion. So most Detroit residents have never access to traditional bond market. So yeah, so the situation is clear. So if ABC company fails to build community trust and drive participation, then the pilot, then yeah, then it will, then the future bond offering will and their plan will be at risk. Okay, so going to the next slide. So mission and alternatives. Okay, so from the situation, uh, we define the mission, design, and at a execute a marketing strategy that introduce ABC company's platform to Detroit residents that will earn community trust, drives participation, and demonstrate measurable civic impact to city officials. So there are three strategies, alternatives. So first alternative is the digital only campaign. So basically these are cheap, fast, good for our young audience. And second one is the community first only. So towns, halls, local organizations, churches. So this will also build strong trust and it's just to all kind of age groups. And third one is the hybrid campaign. So it will combine both online reach plus community depth. So these are the recommendation. So next one is the recommendation hybrid marketing plan. Okay, so the recommendation is a full hybrid marketing campaign. So you can see the powerful message. So your neighborhood, your investment, your bridge. So there are four pillars that will make up this plan. Okay, so digital outreach. So it targets social media on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And another is community activation. This basically covers town hall sources, partnership, and now the neighborhood association. So the key here is using local ambassadors, real communities, and voices. Okay, and not cooperative scripts. Okay, so the third one is the transparency portal. So this is where blockchain really shines in marketing. So public dashboard will be showing a real-time fund collection and its progress. And fourth one is the university and youth. Okay, so it partners with the Win State and Detroit Mercy, so it will bring younger investors. Okay, young investors and state advocates, so that students can also become micro investors or promoters at the same time. So when the slide, so STP, so segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So let's connect this into segmentation. Okay, So this basically covers like psychographic and behavior, not just demographic, but also it covers primary like three segments. So first one is the primary, secondary, and tertiary. So you can see the details here. So second one is the target. Okay, so targeting. So we basically focus this part on civically motivated digital residents. So basically these are the things. And third one is the positioning. So positioning means it is prove or not promise. So your investment will be your bridge. Okay, so ABC company occupies the space of variable civic impact. So yeah, so no traditional fundraising can match that proof. So we position on trust, transparency, and local ownership, not technologies. So another slide is the blockchain in digital marketing. Okay, so it brings in the blockchain angle. So three properties matter for this marketing. So first one is the immutability. So once transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered. So the investment in the bridge is permanently recorded, so no intermediary can change their dispute or hide. So there is a massive trust signal. So second one is the transparency. So the ledger is completely visible to everyone. So resident can quickly scan QR code or can see exactly who much has the innovation is progressing in real time. So third one is the disintermediation. So the transaction can occur peer to peer, so without central authority. So ABC company removes the traditional bond between the residents. So lower fee, high accessibility, strong surveillance can occur, and the blockchain is not just a backend technology. Here, it is also a marketing story itself. So this is the implementation KPIs and expansion opportunities. So yeah, so say same thing. So how do you measure success rate? Okay, so here are the KPIs. So participation rate, fundraise, APIs and portal scan rate, community awareness, trust score, and beyond that rate. So the expansion roadmap is strong, and then so then going so the positioning ABC company as the national standard for the civic blockchain finance. So here are some takeaways and reference. So I will close this with the most important line. Okay, so residents do not invest in blockchains; they invest in bridges, in neighborhoods, in futures they can see. So so ABC major advantage is that the investment is credible, traceable, and there are some three takeaways. So take as trust, not feature. Segment on civic pride, and third one is they set a standard, and the first city to succeed with this model shapes how the next cities can do it. So thank you. That's it from me today. So thank you.